Hello everyone! Today we're going to be talking about something very simple. How to wash your hair. And then you scrub really good. Everywhere, front, middle. That could feel really good. Nice massage everywhere. Okay, so I took my shower and now I'm ready to do the rest, which I'm going to give you some tips on detangling your hair. This is a wet brush. This is a bendable one. It's amazing for my long hair. What you need to do is start from the bottom up. That loosens the hair in a way that it's not pulling, it's not hurting, and then you keep going up. Okay, my hair is nice and clean. It smells great and ready to be dried. So let's go for it.